Hey favorites, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I am back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make that gorgeous hairstyle you saw at the beginning of the video. So I'm not going to talk much, just screenshot as much as you can and save this video. We'll also share it to people who need to see it, because this is a period whereby things are more expensive now, especially braiding hair. So this is kind of like a way to improvise and still look good. Okay, so please share this video to your friend, to your girlfriends, and to anyone you feel would need this tutorial right now. This is actually a detailed video, so if you don't get it with this first one I'm showing you, please watch till the end, because I showed you in-depth ways to do this. So it's something you can actually do. This is a crochet hairstyle, very simple. It's also a protective style, so trust me, everything is just right with this hairstyle. Before we continue, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to be part of this beautiful family. Okay, I post hair tutorials here, majorly hair tutorials, then every other thing. I mean vlogs, DIYs on how to grow your natural hair. Trust me, you love it here. Just subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos, and I'll catch you at the end of this video. Hi guys, so let me explain this finally. What you want to do is to use a rubber band and tie your hair. Don't tie it close to your scalp. The essence of this is for your crochet pin to pass easily with your Brazilian wool. Now after doing that, you can tighten your hair and then go ahead to twist your natural hair. For the top, the trick is to put your natural hair on the one on top. Don't put it on the one under. The one on top is going to hide better. So while twisting your hair, make sure you're hiding your hair. Trust me, it's going to be easy. If you're making this hair yourself, you would feel your natural hair when it's coming out of the wool. So all you have to do is to tuck it in and then you're good to go. After twisting the top tightly, you can loosen up a bit at some point, but don't make it too loose. Honestly, that's it about the hairstyle. Then add the tip, make sure you secure the ends very well, and then you go ahead and cut it. Next up, I'm using a lighter on it. Some people don't like this process, but I don't see anything wrong with it, so I actually burn my tip. It makes everything more put together. Next up is my edges. On this hair, I didn't use a lot of edge control. Make use of black gel to remove the white cast. So guys, I'm done with the hair. As you can see, it's on a budget. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. And one amazing thing about Brazilian wool is that you can make use of this 10 times, and I'm not even joking, 10 good times, and it's going to look new. Like this one, I'm still going to make a short hair using the same wool. Yeah, so stay tuned to my channel to see those videos. Subscribe to the channel. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.